Hello everyone, welcome to today's session of information technology in which we are continuing with the digital documentation, and today we will cover formatting a document. Let us see how we can start. Let's word again. Click on the start button, then select Microsoft Office, then click on Microsoft Word. You can see here we are using here Microsoft Word 2010. By clicking here you can see the screen or the interface of the Microsoft Word 2010, and let us open the document first. So click on file, then select open button from here. Then the open dialogs will appear in front of you, and yesterday we have saved a document in the documents folder. So first I'm giving you the demonstration of the complete path. First click on Microsoft C drive, then users, then personal folder of the user, and then click on documents. And after clicking on document you will see the documents available which we have created. So yesterday I have prepared a document, the name given, the demo 1 page 1. You can see the file here. Select the file and click on open button. So the document will be opened. So this is the document in front of us which we have prepared yesterday, and today we will format this. Today we learn some formatting tips here. The first step in the document preparation to use the page setup. The page formatting is explained in the next section, but for the document preparation, page setup is taken here. So click on the format tab, and default options are that the font size, Calibri, font size 11 without any change. These are the default setting. Left margin 2.5, right margin 2 inch, top margin 2 inch, bottom margin you can see here 3 inch, and these can be changed. These are the default settings. So the formatting text. So the formatting text refers to the formatting of the paragraph and characters. Paragraph and characters. This is a single paragraph first, and this is the text which we have copied yesterday. Select and press the delete key if you want to erase this, and to take back the action we can press the Ctrl Z. So first select the text and then apply the required text formatting features. There are various methods of the formatting text. We can apply any one method which we prefer as per our suitability. So these methods are menu option from the menu bar, like this, insert, page layout. So nowadays every menu option are converted in the form of menu buttons which we call ribbons, and by selecting the buttons, the context menu by clicking this, and shortcut keys from keyboard also. From here you can select this one button, any of these available button according to our suitability and the requirement. And removing the manual formatting means if we format the text, like I am making this bold by clicking on bold button. So bold means the text will appear more darker and thicker, and by applying this increase font size you can make it large by selecting on this decrease font size, or shrink the font by pressing Ctrl plus less than, and this is by pressing Ctrl plus greater than key from the keyboard also. And if we hover the mouse over the button, then you will get the tips here, like you can see grow font, and this is shrink font, means to make it large or to make it small. Control plus greater than, control plus less than. So this is the formatting, and can make the text colors also, like I am changing the red color, and here you can make the highlight. So you can see this is the red and yellow background, bold face, Calibri size 20. You can change the font also. Fonts, how? Select the fonts from here. Fonts are the appearance, as I taught you in the previous sessions, that with the help of these you can change the appearance of the document. Okay, so these are the, here some Hindi fonts are also available, but for that purpose you need to learn the Hindi typing, as I taught you how you can type the English also, so you can learn the Hindi typing by changing the fonts, etc. So the formatting button, the formatting toolbar, and by, if I want to take the entire formatting from here, then clear formatting button will be available here. You can see this clear formatting, and select clear formatting from the selection and leaving only the plain text. Like select this and click here. You can see now, accept the background color. Background color can be removed, no color, manually see. Means at a single command we can remove the entire formatting. Like the common text formatting are changing the font size, means select the text and change its size by drop down, by clicking on the drop down list font size. Shift Control P is the shortcut key to open this, and you can select any of the size from the drop down list. Like 20 I have applied, so this is changing the font style, like bold, italic, underline. Select the text and Control B, Control I, Control U. So this is the bold, italicized as well as underline. Changing the font type by select the text and drop down font, and then select any of the available font with U, means the font which we have installed previously in our computer. So changing font color by selecting font color icon, font colors, select this and apply. These are the available fonts here, and if you want to select, these are the 256 color pattern can be available in the MS Word or in any application. So this is the applying font color. So these are the common formatting. Now changing text case. So there are 5 cases. One is sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize every word, and toggle case. So which we can see the lowercase, uppercase, sentence case, and the capitalize every word's first letter, and toggle case. So this is the change case formatting. Here you can select it from the drop down list also, and here you can see the change case. Here these are the 5 cases: sentence case, lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word, and toggle case. Let us apply here. If we select, this paragraph is already typed in the sentence case. Sentence case generally means after full stop, the capital and some nouns, but it needs to be clarified that these are the nouns. The nouns first letter will be in the capital letters. So this is the general text formatting, and by selecting here sentence case, no change you can see here. But if we click on the lowercase, so all the capital letters earlier which were after full stop capital letter and starting capital letter, so if you apply here again the sentence case, so see the first T converted into capt, and this after full stop capt means capital, and after C. But if we apply the lowercase to entire paragraph, then not a single word you can see in the uppercase. So this is the lowercase formatting can say. Okay, and then sentence case after full stop and uppercase, entire typed text will be converted in the all caps you can see here. Okay, converted into capital letters. Now see the other cases are uppercase, capitalize each word. Each letter of the first letter of the word will be converted into uppercase. See here. Okay, so this is the capitalize each word, and toggle case. it's the reverse of the capitalized each word. You can see the first letter of the every word now converted into lowercase. See here, these are the 5 cases. So select simply here sentence case as it was before making any changes to the paragraph. So now these are the superscript and subscript. So let us see, as you have observed in your chemistry notebook, there are some numbers and digits written at the bottom of the text like H2O. So for this, simply type H2 and O. This is, so here you can change the case as well. Select the text and change the text from here uppercase. And now this 2, if we want to write at the bottom of the H, so this is will be subscript. So for this, you can see here 2 buttons. This is subscript at the bottom and superscript at the top of the text or the letter, wherever you want. So this is, so you can see now this is converted into subscript. And suppose if we want to write here a square plus b square, so that purpose a2 plus b2, and now this a and 2 should go little bit raised upwards towards the regular text. So select and click here this superscript, a square plus b square. So this is very simple thing, you know. So see, so this is subscript, little bit raised down towards the from the regular text and raised towards upward, little bit upward. That is the superscript. Super, up, sub, bottom. So the paragraph style. So this is the paragraph, and generally the first line indent. This is the indentation which we apply to the paragraph. So this is here the ruler. You can see this is the first line indent. So selecting this, the first line will be shifted of the paragraph and up to the measurement you want. This is now 1 inch shifted from its regular or previous position, and this is 0.5, now 1 inch, now 1.5, now 2 inch. So generally we keep it here 1.5 inch, half inch. So this is, if we want to select, change the entire position of the paragraph, you can see the entire paragraph is shifting. So this is the indent, hanging indent. See here, this is hanging indent. You can see if we hover on every button, then the tip you will get here like font color, and this is so center. Also available the shortcut key which you can do. So let us change its previous position. This is, so first line left here. If we individually drag it, dragging means hold down the left mouse button and movement of the cursor. So this is dragging. So indentation left, first line in a hanging indent, you already learned. So change the alignment of the paragraph. So here by selecting the paragraph, these are the general 4 type of alignment here. Alignment left, align left, this is the default alignment. Center means the center of the line, whatever the measurement of the paragraph is here, so all line will start from the central position. Like if we are fixing here the font size 10 inch, the paper size, so you can see here all text starting from its central position, that is 5 inch. And see, once again saving a document, we click here, so you can see this is the central position of the text. See here, so this is the tab position. So clear all and okay, tab stop. If we click anywhere, that is, so this is the central alignment, and previously this was align left, align right means all text will be justified from its right position. See here, so now the balance is at the right side, the balance is its left side, the balance is its central position, and this is the justification. To justify it, align left, and so the right side of the margin means these text are justified from its left and right position. You can see here the equal balance. Before this, if we click on undo, you can see here the text are not balanced from its right side. This S is little bit inside, this S outer side, E inside, S, and this is in. So if we select this and click on justify, then right side and left side, both side will get the balance of the text. This is justification of the. Now changing font color and highlighting the text. Changing font color, I already taught you that how you can change. So again, see, select the text and select any of the color which you want to apply to the text. Like I'm applying here red. So you can see now here you can change also the colors. See, different colors are available here. So now changed. So highlighting, select the text, and this is the text highlighter. Text highlight color, so select any of the color, same. These are some default colors available here. So you can see here you can highlight if you want to highlight here. Saving, select the text. Selection is the first thing, so you can highlight here. This is highlighting text. Now using the bulletin numbers. To demonstrate the bulletin numbers, let us create a list like tea, coffee. These are sessions available, and milk. These are some items. Select this item and click on the list. So you can see now the text converted into bullets. Now you can increase the fonts also, change the font size, and remove the extra spacing in between. So remove the spaces between, add single line, see here. Okay, so you can apply this paragraph formatting by applying the font. So here, as you can see, the same time means select the previous, and suppose if we want to apply this formatting too, so click on formatting painter to this text. See now, it's very simple. So now the list can be converted into numbers. You can see here these are the numbers now converted into 1 2 3. This is unlisted number, listed number, and this is the nested. Suppose milk or coffee, you can see here. Now suppose A, cold coffee, and here warm or hot. So this is the nested list, means copies again defined, and one list can be here, that is detailed list. If we want to explain any of the topic from here, then this is the description about tea or whatever you can write about any particular topic. Like this is the description list. If we click here and then we assign the bullets, so this is the description list, means about saving document we have explaining here. So this is the description list. Yeah, okay, that's simple. So now the bulleted list and numbered list I have demonstrated here. The list given like computer, keyboard, mouse, scanner, printer, you can type and prepare the list also. These are the different pattern of the bullets. Any of the bullet style can be applied by selecting the different numbers. Type is also available like 1 2 3 1 2 3 ABC, ABC, Roman 1 2 3, small ABC, capital ABC. This is so assigning the color, border, and background for the paragraph. Select the entire paragraph and then click on background color. This is by applying these colors you can change the background of the paragraph. So here you can see how the background is changing here. You can see as we are hovering on, this is the preview, it's called preview. You can see the preview of the text. So here this is, you can see background, and foreground. This is the paragraph background which I have applied here. This is background. So don't be confused between text highlighter, text color and background color. These are three different things. Background color to be applied for the paragraph, background color for selected text background, highlighter, and this is font color, this the font color also. You can apply the borders here. Now select the text, and if you want to include, this is the bottom border, the top border, okay, but selection is necessary. Select the text before applying any of the formatting. So this is all border. You can see now the border outside, thick border can be applied here outside, and select the border and shading box border and select the thickness of the border line. See here, changed, the thickness of the border color changed. Now assigning border color and background done. Now page formatting. Page formatting. In the page formatting you can give the page numbers and the header and footer of the page, the page number at the header and the footer of the page. So let us see here the page layout, and at the page layout, suppose we have created here number of pages like 24 pages already created, so we can give here margins can be applied normal. This is the default margin size, and can change narrow margin, and the effect of the orientation, two type of orientation I here, portrait and landscape. By default the portrait orientation is applied and landscape. Then the entire document, means if the width of the document is greater than its height, then that is landscape orientation, and if the height of the document is greater than its width, that is portrait orientation. You can see this, the preview of the document before printing. So size of the page, these are the standard sizes available, and you can also apply with the help of more sizes. You can set the height and the width by clicking here. The custom page size, legal statement formatting, these are, if we apply here the custom, then we can change the size according to our choice. Otherwise predefined sizes are here. Generally we use this portrait and letter or A4 size. Now here typing the text in multiple columns. You can, as you can see in the book, many of the books are written in the columnar text type. So we are here at the, this is one columnar, generally one columnar text available initially, but you can change it, like your book is available in two columnar text one, and after typing here, then you can change to the next column, then only you can go to the next column after completing the text typing in the first column. Then we can shift to the second column, like select here the text copy, then paste, and then paste here. Then automatically the remaining text will be shifted to the next column, and if we continuously fill here, then you can see again, see, and if we type here, means this is the typing of the text, then the next column automatically filled to the next column, means cursor will go to the next column automatically after finishing typing at the first column. So this is one column and two column text demonstration. You can create multiple columns also, but we need to remember that after completion of the typing in the first column up to the end of that, then the automatically cursor will move to the next column, as I have demonstrated right now. So this is creating text in multiple columns. Now setting the page header and footer. So breaks, Ctrl plus enter, the shortcut key, line number. So these are the line number, as you can see here. So every line numbered here. Generally we don't require it, so you can, none can be applied. Restart from each page. So you now these line numbers started again 1 2 3 from the next page, and you can see this sequence up to the last of the page, up to what we have typed the text. The blank pages, there are no line. If we type or enter here the lines, then you can see now the numbers are coming automatically by pressing the enter key, and these are starting from initially from serial number 1 when new page is coming here, so 31 lines. And if we increase the indent here, then the line number will automatically comes to 32. We can see here, this is computer bachas, see 33. If we increase a little bit more, the 34 31 will come, see now, because little bit upward shifted, little bit downward shifted. This is the numbers. And hyphenation, if the complete word is not coming in the first line, then this is, see here, document DOC and one dash automatically mentioned here by the MS Word. This is due to hyphenation. If we remove this none, you can see here document. Okay, so hyphenation can be done like here, saving. So if we apply here, then see here, means only apply to the that word which is not coming fit according to or adjusting itself with the margin of the text. So here the watermark can be applied. Watermark, you can see in some documents, it's a kind of background, textual background, like here you can see confidential. Now this is the watermark. You can see here, this is the watermark here. See, if we see here the print preview, this is 100%. Print layout we are seeing here. So in every page, this confidential you can see here some documents, that's watermark. So we are in here now. Page colors, we can apply these colors to entire page background. Now you can see here the confidential, you can see, okay, see that's the background, the confidential. In every page you can see this is watermark, this confidential and background color. Now page borders, you can apply the page, entire page border. Earlier we are applying the border to the paragraph. Now you can apply, this is the page border. By applying page border, you can see here the page created. These are the blank pages, you can write the text. Now page border, and then indentation already applied, and spacing, line spacing before and last. Now one more thing, that is inserting header and footer to the header. What you want here, the header, see here. Now saving type text which we want to see here, you can insert the date, time, page number here at the header section. Now type the text here. Now inserting page number, so top of the page, bottom of the page, page margin. So here page numbers we are applying. You can see now page number 1 here, then automatically page number 2, and this is automatic. You can see here page number 3 only assigning at once, page number 4 5 6 and up to the end page number 24 we will get there. See, page number 28 created. So this is header, and any text can be mentioned here, and that will be reflected in the every page. You can change the position of the page number here, center, right, center, left. And the same thing we can do with the insert and page footer. Now footer section, you can see here, type the text, page number 22 already applied here. So we can type any text, and that text will be reflected in the every page. This is setting header and footer. Let us see the duration of the clip, that is 29 minutes. Okay, let us see a little bit more. Okay, so that is formatting of the shape and images. Now we can insert the shape here, press Ctrl V. Now if we want to draw something here, then this is the toolbar available. Simply come out from the header and footer by clicking twice in the document section. Now in the document section we can create any insert. Now these are smart art tool shapes. These are the shapes which we can design here, like I'm drawing square and then the square, oval. These can be changed. Inserting text box, up and down arrow keys. See here, its color thing can be changed. After selecting here, can change. Okay, so this is the inserting smart shapes. So shapes, and now inserting symbols. So shapes, clip art. Click on clip art, then you can see, or we can insert the image directly here by inserting picture. Suppose we don't have a picture here, so picture, saved picture, no. So search the picture here, mp4, jpeg. So select here jpg files, this pc. Dot jpg files. So these are the search, no. But if the picture is available here, then you can insert the picture in your document. So there are some pictures available in my mobile phone that can be inserted here. So leave this searching, and in between I will demonstrate you here the home and symbols. So insert and page symbols here. These are the page numbers, word art, symbols. This is the symbol tool. By clicking on this, you can see here these are alpha, beta, gamma, theta, more options. Here you can see these symbols are available here. See, these are the symbols which you can insert in your document. Sometime we require this, so you can simply click on symbols. And if we want to work or do with some work with the equations, that time we can click here, equations, if installed already. Setting date and times, signature line, object. These are the things available in the signature. And let us see what result came here for the picture. Yeah, these are the picture jpg files. These are the pictures. Welcome scan. Let us see here what is this file. This is the scan file here. So this file can be, if we want to insert this file, see the property or the location of the file, that where the file is existing. So by clicking on this, see the properties, means the path. See here, C drive, documents, WinX, 64, Microsoft, this is the entire path of the file, location. And so here, if we know the location of the file, then we can insert it. C drive, Windows, WinX, AMD, this is. So MS Word. So first place the cursor, the location where you want to insert the file. These are the line which we have created. So this page, insert, and then click on pictures. So in the picture toolbar, do the path, and now you can see the file here. By clicking on this, you can see the picture in your document now directly. See, means the path which I have copied from there, the location here. You can see after clicking on this properties, I have copied this path by clicking on right, then copy, and then I came over here in MS Word, and then I have placed the cursor. Again, insert, picture, and paste the path here by clicking this. You can paste here by clicking on this, then you can insert it again. Seek any of the images from here, and that will be reflected in your document, like this image, image 10. See its property, right click on the property, select the path from here, copy, okay, and then come in MS Word, again insert, picture, and then again do the same thing. So by clicking here, press Ctrl V or paste, enter. These are the images. You can insert any of the images. See here, you can resize it. This is inserting image in a document. Okay, see here. You can align this also by clicking on home, center, right, left, center, resize. See, you can do this with the image. Now dividing the document in page into columns, already demonstrated. So it's up for today. So creating and managing tables, we will learn in our next session. And that's printing, reviewing a document, introduction, password, and mail merge, the last one topic. Hope you enjoyed today's session. Have a great day. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Let us save the document. Okay. It's up for today. Close all the applications. Nice. Okay. So it's up for today. Enough.